Many shopping malls and office buildings often lack visually appealing exteriors. However, with the introduction of these innovative modules, facades can now become more interesting and attractive. Thin clay tiles, resembling genuine bricks, are securely held in place by stainless steel clips, creating an authentic look. There are various design options available, including Flemish or English bond, with 4 standard shapes to choose from. Each rectangular panel measures 56 by 37.5 centimeters and boasts a lifespan of approximately 60 years. These panels are factory assembled, free from glue or resin, and hold an A1 fire rating. Installation is as easy as similar products, making them an ideal choice for any project. Next, a 2-in-1 grid system is designed to reinforce the soil and allow smooth water passage. As a result, a grass or gravel area will always look aesthetically pleasing and won't be flooded after a downpour. With a load-bearing capacity of 250 tons per square meter, it's perfect for parking lots, campgrounds, and areas with a large number of cars. The manufacturers prioritize environmental concerns by using recycled polyethylene for the grid. The grids are held together by a clip system. One pallet, containing 112 pieces, covers about 25 square meters. Given the size of today's parking lots, the manufacturers won't be short of customers. A modular septic tank is a practical solution for standalone sewage and wastewater systems. It consists of a perforated flexible pipe, special expanded polystyrene aggregate, and a geotextile mesh. Keeping things simple is the key to success. Modules can be easily arranged in a single file or stacked, overcoming obstacles in the working area. With lengths of 1 and 3 meters, they are easily transportable and installable, even by one person. The septic tanks are easily scalable for private or commercial projects, thanks to their diameter of up to 46 centimeters. Connecting the modules is simple by snapping them together, and they're made from recycled materials, helping the planet. Turkey has a strong passion for construction, granting permits for over 550,000 apartments in 2020. To excel in the industry, they embrace innovative methods. One such method is the unique combination of bricks and expanded polystyrene, known as the U-only system. This system allows building in any region without additional insulation. Both the bricks and expanded polystyrene act as thermal insulators, reducing heat loss and saving on electricity costs. The manufacturer offers various wall options, highlighting durability and sound insulation. With this groundbreaking system, Turkey revolutionizes the construction industry. Astonishing 3D printed clay blocks turned heads at an architecture festival, surprising attendees with their revolutionary concept. These unique blocks redefine the use of tepetate, a local material abundant in calcium carbonate and commonly found in construction. By harnessing the power of 3D printing, tepetate-based blocks offer unparalleled ease, speed, and versatility compared to traditional methods. This innovative process eliminates the need for formwork, allowing for limitless construction possibilities. At the festival, an enchanting pavilion with a roof crafted from these extraordinary blocks showcased the limitless potential of this groundbreaking technology. Introducing an innovative Italian solution that combines sustainability and simplicity. This construction option utilizes recycled polypropylene as its main material. The tube height and diameter are customizable to meet the specific needs of each customer. This versatility makes it suitable for projects of all sizes, from private residences to schools and exhibitions. For instance, it was successfully employed in constructing a 25,000 square meter campus, reducing work duration by up to 80%. In our video, witness its application in expanding a 3,000 square meter cold store with temperatures as low as -25 degrees Celsius. The formwork system creates a ventilated cavity that prevents excess humidity, ensuring the floor remains warp and crack-free. Sometimes, when workers install something on a messy or damaged roof using bolts, it may lead to leaks at the joints. Ingenious individuals have devised an innovative membrane to prevent such occurrences. This remarkable membrane is suitable for future projects, repair, and maintenance work. It can be applied directly over loose, rusted bolts and even over holes without the need for a torch or adhesive. A surface treatment with Primo is all that's required to secure the membrane. The primary material used is ethylene propylene rubber, commonly found in automobiles and window profiles. This elastic material easily adapts to the shape of the bolt and exhibits high resistance to UV rays and frost, enduring temperatures as low as -45 degrees Celsius. Introducing our exclusive composite decking for terraces. With an impressive 37 mm thickness, it's one of the thickest options available. This decking excels in durability, resisting bending, warping, and rot. It's rust-proof, non-absorbent, even to wine and coffee, and requires no painting or sanding. Plus, it's lead-free. Manufactured with PVCu, a plasticizer-free variant, it meets food industry standards. The boards pass fire, abrasion, and slip resistance tests, giving peace of mind. Enjoy a 10-year warranty. Choose from a variety of colors and textures to match your preferences. Introducing the innovators behind these next-generation skylights. They're redefining the limits of creativity. These windows go beyond simply brightening up spaces and enhancing their visual appeal. They also offer impeccable waterproofing, eradicating any risk of leakage. Customers have the option of 2 installation methods: the timeless roof-level installation or a recessed setup, which goes 40 mm deep. With a minimum angle requirement of 15 degrees, it can be seamlessly installed on various materials like slate roof tiles and roofing sheets. Maintenance is a breeze, involving a yearly clearing of leaves, debris, and snow during winter. The clever combination of foam insulation cladding and a gentle membrane skirting ensures optimal heat retention while not interfering with rainwater drainage. Introducing an ingenious hybrid of a ladder and hoist, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Choose from 2 models, one with a 113 kg capacity and another with an impressive 181 kg. Power it with either an electric motor from Lifan or a Honda gasoline engine. Lift sections of 1.2 or 2.4 meters are available, along with stands for transporting solar panels, plywood, and other accessories. Competitors offer similar options, easily set up in 10 minutes, featuring wheels for effortless transport. Both alternatives can be powered by a standard American 110-volt outlet. Embrace the future as Germany's solar panel production thrives, and France mandates their use in parking lots with 80+ spaces. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge equipment. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.